Algorand value equivalent to 1.9469 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.9284. 1.9579. The earlier day close, 1.9776. The change was 0.0307. 1.55%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 1.92 rands, high 2.05, low 1.79. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 1.93 rands, high 2.07, low 1.79. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 1.95 rands, high 2.09, low 1.81. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. In multi-week Algorand estimate on Monday, August 14. Cost 1.92 rands, high 2.05, low 1.79. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 18. Cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Algorand figure on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 24. Cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. In 3 weeks Algorand figure on Monday, August 28. Cost 1.88 rands, high 2.01, low 1.75. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 1.85 rands, high 1.98, low 1.72. Algorand figure on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 31. Cost 1.76 rands, high 1.88, low 1.64. Algorand figure on Friday, September 1. Cost 1.79 rands, high 1.92, low 1.66. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, September 4. Cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, September 5. Cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.14 rands, exorbitant cost 1.14, while low cost 0.94. Found the middle value of cost 1.06. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.01, change for December 11.4%. Algorand gauge for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.01 rands, exorbitant cost 1.10, while low cost 0.96. Found the middle value of cost 1.03. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.03, change for January 2.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 1.03 rands, exorbitant cost 1.03, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 0.96. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 0.93. Change for February 9.7%. Algorand gauge for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 0.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.06. While low cost 0.92. The found the middle value of cost 0.98. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 0.99. Change for spring 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 0.99 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.23. While low cost 0.99. The found the middle value of cost 1.09. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.15. Change for April 16.2%. Algorand gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.15 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.25. While low cost 1.09. The found the middle value of cost 1.17. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.17. Change for May 1.7%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 1.17 rands. Excessive cost 1.27. While low cost 1.11. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.19. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.19. Change for June 1.7%. Algorand conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at 1.19 rands. Excessive cost 1.31. While low cost 1.13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.21. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.22. Change for July 2.5%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at 1.22 rands. Excessive cost 1.52. While low cost 1.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.35. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.42. Change for August 16.4%. Algorand figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 1.42 rands. Excessive cost 1.42. While low cost 1.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.26. Change for September 11.3%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 1.26 rands. Excessive cost 1.47. While low cost 1.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.34. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.37. Change for October 8.7%. Algorand figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 1.37 rands. Excessive cost 1.49. While low cost 1.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.39. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.39. Change for November 1.5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 1.39 rands. Excessive cost 1.51. While low cost 1.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41.